Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 4, our environment part 2. Yes children, in previous class we learnt about what is environment. Yes, when we look around ourselves, when we look around ourselves, we can see many people, plants and animals, isn't it? What are those? Those are all called living things. Yes children, we also see many non-living things also. For example, land, air, water, soil, buildings, houses, etc. Okay? Yes, the earth is home for all living things and non-living things. See, both living and non-living things make up our environment. See, air we breathe, the water we drink, the place when we live in are a part of our environment. Thus, environment describes everything that surrounds us. Isn't it children? Yes. There are many things that we throw as waste. Every day we are throwing the waste. Among them, some of roads or some are decay. Well, some does not. Those who are not decaying, those who are not rot, what happened children? That is the reason for the pollution. Okay? Yes. What is pollution? Pollution means things that do not decay cause pollution. Yes, what is pollution? Pollution means making the land, air or water dirty. There are 4 types of pollutions are there. What are those? Already explained in previous class. Yes children, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and also noise pollution. These are the 4 pollutions. Among them, in previous class we learnt about air pollution. What is air pollution children? Yes, when air gets polluted due to the different activities, that is called air pollution. What are those? Yes, one by one I will tell that. Sandstorms, bursting of crackers on festival days, forest fires, burning of wastes, then smoke given by the vehicles. These are all the causes for the air pollution children. Okay. Do you know children? Air pollution leads to several breathing problems. For example, asthma. Okay. Yes children, now we are going to learn about our environment. Now we are going to learn about water pollution. Water pollution is a very serious problem children. See, due to the some activities, water is polluting children. What are those? Washing the clothes and utensils in the water body. See the people, some people they are washing the clothes, some people they are washing the utensils. This cause for the water pollution. Is it good children? No. We do not wash the clothes in the water bodies. See, people, some children are swimming in the water. Some people they are washing the animals. They are bathing. Animals are bathing in the water bodies. It is also cause of water pollution. Next, see already as I said, we are throwing waste every day. Day to day, every day we are throwing the waste things, isn't it? Among them, some are decaying, some are rot, some are they are not decaying. Those things are make the water bodies. When they are throwing in the water bodies, those water body will get pollute. See children, water pollution may lead the several diseases. If we drink impure water, what happens children? See how it is. It's very impure water. Is it good to health children? No. We do not drink this type of water. We should drink clean or boiled water. Okay? Yes. See children, our earth before it was like this type. It is very greenery. Plants are there. Isn't it? Water bodies are there. It's looking very nice children. It is very good for health also children. But nowadays, see how is our earth. No greenery. No water bodies. Huh? Yes children. These are all the. Now we learn what we learnt. We learnt about water boarding. Then one more thing, dumping the garbage on the water bodies. Some people they are putting the waste things in the water body. That is also one big reason for the water get pollute. Then mixing of sewage from the homes and factories in the water bodies. Waste of water they are mixing in the water bodies. Factory waste, homes, sewage water, they are connecting to the water bodies. They are leaving the those waste water to the water body. That is also one reason for the water get impure. Yes children, water pollution may lead several diseases like diarrhea and cholera. Okay? Yes. Now we will learn about land pollution. Land gets polluted to various human activities children. Human being only make the land pollute. What are those things? How can he make the land? Yes children. Throwing garbage in the open area. That is also reason for the land pollution. Then overuse of chemical fertilizer. See children, people throwing the waste in the open area. Then overusing the chemical fertilizers to the field children. See chemical fertilizers how they are using. This is also one reason for the land pollution. Then dumping of the waste by factories in junk yards. See, from the wastage of the factories they are dumped in the areas children. Land pollution can also cause many diseases and also destroy the natural beauty children. Yes. Next, see here in open area how they put. Next we will learn about noise pollution. Yes. What is noise pollution? Yes. Sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise, isn't it? Too much noise is called noise pollution. See in many festivals people are using the loudspeaker. They are not thinking about the old people's grandparents and small children. Okay, they are using the loudspeaker in high volume children. Yes, listening to the radio and television at high volume. We do not use the radio and television which in high volume children. Then excessive honking of the vehicles. See children here. Then bursting the crackers also. It will make the more noise. Honking of the vehicles. It is also cause for the noise pollution. See in factories and all. There also more noise pollution is there. Loudspeakers. Honking of the vehicles also. It is the one reason of the noise pollution. Yes, children. How to reduce the pollution? How can we reduce it? We learn in next class, children. Thank you.